All right guys, Holzfforma G660, let's unbox it. I had a Husqvarna 395 XP ready to purchase. However, that saw is $1,300 and I really just couldn't justify the cost. Basically what I'm doing with this saw is chainsaw milling. Don't intend to cut down any large trees, don't intend to use it professionally in any capacity. So I really just needed a saw for occasional use, somewhat reliable, and pretty cheap. This saw is Chinese made. It's a clone of the Stihl MS660. All parts are interchangeable. The downside of these saws traditionally has been shipping is like a month from China, and reliability, you know, right out of the box, you could get a lemon. So what I did is found a guy online. His name's Mike from Peachtree Woodworking. And what he does is buys these saws in bulk and sells them, resells them in the United States. But first, he checks them over. He puts Loctite on all of the critical screws, critical parts, runs them through a few heat cycles, and really just makes sure they work so that the end user doesn't get a lemon. Got a handlebar. That'll have to be assembled. Oh, this is nice. Little mixer can for your fuel. 25-to-1 looks like is the mixture on this. Air. Let's see what's in this. Looks like hardware and tools. Oh, I see it. Dogs. And some hardware for the dogs. What else we got? Nice little package for the scrunch. Chainsaw tool, screw wrench combo. And what else is in here? Oh, everything's falling out. Nice little screwdriver. Couple of screws, look like probably for the handlebar. What else is in here? And a Allen key, nope. Torx, star. All right, and for the big reveal. Let's get into this. Plenty of bubble wrap. These things are well packaged. It's a nice saw. Doesn't feel too heavy. Controls feel pretty plasticky compared to what I'm used to with Husqvarna, but that's to be expected. This is a knockoff saw. I'm not expecting a $1,300 saw right out of the box. Decompression. Let's see. Gas tank captured, maybe? Captured. This one's captured as well. All right. There we go. All right. All right, let's put the handle on. Pretty good. It's a nice filter. While you guys watch me struggle attaching this handle, let's talk about specs. This is a 92cc chainsaw. It'll power a bar up to 36 inch according to the manufacturer, and it's 17 pounds without the bar and the chain. This saw retails from FarmerTech for US $249 plus $76 shipping to the United States, and in 25 to 40 days. So you could wait more than a month for this saw. I got this saw 7 days from the date I ordered it for $390, including shipping and tax. Okay, let's go anymore. All this looks pretty good, pretty clean. All right, my camera battery's running out. Let's go crank this thing up. Guys, if you enjoyed this review, please consider subscribing. I've got some more chainsaw milling videos I'm expecting to do in the next couple months. So, as always, let me know if you have any questions in the comments. And once again, shout out to Mike from Peachtree Woodworking. Not a sponsor, bought this saw outright, but just great guy, answered all of my questions, and sent the saw to me pretty quickly. All right, thank you.